Nii, nüüd siis Eesti YouTuberi Mullimisi Maria bakalaureuse 2017. aastat viimane osa ja ingliskeelne kokkuvõte on see osa siis. Ja nüüd siis selles osas räägin põhiliselt inglise keeles, proovige aru saada. Summary: Estonian YouTuber self-presentation and perception of audience and privacy. The aim of my baccalaureate thesis was to get an overview of Estonian YouTubers. Not my, is Mullimisi Maria in 2017. Was to get an overview to Estonian YouTubers self-presentation methods, perception of their audience and conceptualization of privacy. As an addition, a new dictionary about YouTube-related Estonian terminology will be created. My thesis consists of 4 chapters. The first gives an overview of theoretical and empirical concepts. Next, I describe the methodology and sample. The third chapter focuses on these results. And finally, the fourth part gives an overview of the main conclusions and discussions of broader issues. In Estonia, YouTubers and especially the opportunity to earn money by posting videos to YouTube are quite new phenomena. Being a YouTuber has become popular among young people and is perceived as a servile occupation. However, we don't not yet fully know the long-term impact of showing different everyday life aspects on social media to a wide audience. Digital footprints are persistent and it is important to think about its long-term effects. Thanks to the information shared by YouTubers, it is possible to educate students on media skills and teach what to consider when following micro-celebrities or creating content. Based on the theoretical framework, I formed 3 main research questions. 1. How Estonian YouTubers perceive their image and audiences. 2. Which self-presentation strategies Estonian YouTubers use for the portrayal? Mitte ainult vaid esimene, teine. First, second, third. What Estonian YouTubers consider public and private on social media. To answer my research questions, I conducted semi-structured in-depth interviews with 10 popular Estonian YouTubers. I chose this method to gain insight and discover their opinions. The main findings of my research were that Estonian YouTubers use a variety of strategies in their self-presentation. The most prominent are contradictory statements, as they try to present themselves as authentic as possible, but at the same time to try to make themselves more interesting, hiding certain activities and ignoring certain topics, using available technologies to make the videos more engaging. The content creation is very truthful and it is done purposefully. YouTubers use different strategies for self-enjoyable presentation, for protecting their privacy, for growing their audience and bringing inspiration and setting a good example for their audience. YouTubers' main objectives are to express themselves creatively and to offer entertainment for their audience. In doing so, the role of audience is very important and their feedback is seriously considered. YouTubers intend to be perceived as real as possible, but all the time they use different self-presentation strategies to be acceptable amongst their subscribers. YouTubers consistently work on protecting their privacy and they use different methods to do so, but unfortunately they have experienced unpleasant situations regarding privacy. Looking at the results of my work, they give a good insight to the micro-celebrity world and it can be used in media studies for elementary and high school students. It is essential to explain the importance of media criticism and with behavioral patterns micro-celebrates using social media. Attention should also be kept on YouTubers and content creators altogether. They need better education and privacy protection. Future research should focus on micro-celebrity privacy issues, and another interesting topic is how to use YouTubers for marketing purposes. In addition, it will be interesting to compare my results to their actual behavior on the internet. siis tuleb siin see läbi. see ingliskeelne kokkuvõte see läbi. Põhimõtteliselt sama, mis kokkuvõttes kirjas on. Ja nüüd siis kasutatud kirjandus. 19 lehte, peaaegu 20 lehte kasutatud kirjandust. 19 lehte kasutatud kirjandust. Ja ongi kõik. Umbes samamoodi teha kui mulda. Selles muusika kohta. Ja mitte nii pikk. Mul on umbes 20 lehte. Mitte 79 lehte. Umbes 20 lehte. Sisu. Ilma tiitelle ja kasutuskirjandusele teedeta. Ja autorideklaratsioonita. Autorideklaratsioon tuleb ka siin kasutatud kirjanduse järel. Ja see ongi kõik. Ja, aga nüüd ma lõpetan viimane osa. Liisi-Maria Muuli bakalaureuse ingliskeelne kokkuvõte in English. Ciao. 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 Goodbye. Head aega.